Hey guys, welcome back to the Nordstrand video. Guys, in this video we will discuss if you're facing this problem that account services unavailable, Apple Pay services are currently unavailable. So how can you fix it? So guys, when you try to use your Apple Pay or Apple Cash, you may face this problem that your account services are unavailable. So how can you fix it? So guys, we can fix it very easily. So there are 3 to 4 ways to fix this problem. First of all, guys, you may just open the settings of your iPhone or iPad, and guys, you make sure that you have an active internet connection. After this, guys, there is the option of VPN. If there is any connected VPN, you may disconnect it. Then you may click here on general, and here is the option of software update, and update your iPhone or iPad to the latest iOS 18 version. So here is the option of beta update. So if there is any beta update, you may turn off beta update and you may download official version from here. Then guys, you may go back and you may scroll it down. Here is the option of date and time, so you may click here on date and time. So let's check. Click here guys and click on set automatically, turn this on. After this, you may click here on language and region, and you may select that region from here where you live. So then guys, you may go back, and here is the option of VPN. So here, if there is any connected VPN, you may disconnect that. Then click here on transfer reset iPhone. Click here, click on reset, and click on reset network settings. After this guys, you may go back, and here is the option of your Apple ID or Apple account. So you may scroll it down, and here is the option of media and purchases. Click here and click here on view account, and guys, you may change your country or region from here to that country where Apple Pay or Apple Cash is available. So because this error occurs sometime when you use your Apple Pay or Apple Cash in that country where Apple Cash is not available. So you may change your country region from here. Then guys, you may go back and you may just open settings again, and then guys, you may open your Apple Cash or Apple Pay, and you may check your problem will be fixed. So let's check guys. Now you may click here on set up your Apple Pay, and you may check your problem has been fixed. So if your problem is still not fixed by all this method, then guys, you may connect any VPN to that country where Apple Pay or Apple Cash is available, and then you may click here on settings again, and you may turn off your Apple Cash and turn in again, and you may check your problem will be fixed. So by all these methods, you can fix it very easily. So this is the video guys. For more videos, please subscribe our channel.